Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. Today I want to speak with you about back injury claims. And we certainly know that with regard to low back, mid back, or upper back claims, the impact of that on your daily life and your ability to do chores around the house and work and sleep can make it very, very difficult. Back injuries are extremely debilitating, and folks are getting those from everything from lifting, bending, stooping, squatting, motor vehicle accidents on the job. My CNAs are always hurting their backs. Truck drivers, loading, unloading pallets, you name it. We've got folks, HVAC system folks, really hurting themselves. And the low back, mid back, and upper back injuries are things that can be specific only to your back, but in most cases what we're hearing is folks complaining not only about their back, but the pain might be radiating into their buttocks, down their leg, perhaps numbness or tingling in their toes, or if it's the mid back, it could be going around towards the rib cage. If it's the upper back, it may be going up into the neck or down the shoulders into the hands and fingers. So very, very important that when you're seeing your doctor, you list each and every body part that is bothering you. And even if it's, well, my back pain is killing me, I don't need to really talk about the fact that it's shooting down my leg. Oh, yes, you do. It's extremely important to make sure that that is all listed. Problem is, if you don't put it down the first time and then you try to go back in there 3 weeks later and say, but now my pain is going down into my leg, they're going to say, well, you didn't complain about that initially, so the insurance company may not approve you to have treatment for that radiating pain going into your buttocks, or numbness and tingling in your toe, or pain perhaps in your hip. So make sure that you are telling these doctors, and you're telling them not just once, but maybe twice and 3 times, each time you go in, what the problems are. I cannot tell you how many times we see these industrial clinics in particular just completely focused on one area, and they won't even list the other problems that you're having. Write it down, make sure it's in your chart, and make sure that you are telling the doctors about this low back pain, mid back pain, upper back pain, whatever is particular to you, as well as the other body parts that are bothering you. With regard to back pain injuries, obviously doctors are going to offer you medication and rest in many cases. They're going to potentially offer you epidural steroid injections and perhaps back surgery at some point. Obviously, pushing to get an MRI is very, very crucial so that those proper diagnoses can be made regarding any disc injury or nerve injury. So make sure that you are talking to a lawyer. We're more than glad to speak with you about your case. We're going to take your call and advise you on what you need to do in terms of getting the proper medical care. If you'd like to speak with me, I'm more than glad to talk to you. I'm at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia Workers' Compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.
Thank you.